respiration. Respiration. As you know that you have studied the respiration in lower classes. Respiration means the process by the breakdown of food with the help of oxygen and use carbon dioxide, water and energy. Now I will write the process by which food breaks down with the help of oxygen, and gives carbon dioxide, water and energy. So this is the simple definition of respiration. This respiration occurs both day as well as night. But as we come to your photosynthesis, the photosynthesis only takes place in daytime because there is only available of sunlight which is present in a day but not night. That is why the photosynthesis takes place in a day. Now this respiration is of two types. Number one, aerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration is that type of respiration which takes place with the presence of oxygen. So that means this respiration needs a oxygen. If there is not oxygen, this aerobic respiration will not take place. Because this respiration occurs in higher organisms. These higher organisms like humans, animals have needed oxygen for the respiration. So we can write that aerobic respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen. We can also write short form of oxygen O2 because this oxygen is the diatomic. Diatomic means which is made up of two atoms. That is why O2, H2, Cl2, L2 are called as diatomic because they contain two atoms. That is why I write O2. This aerobic respiration takes place in higher organisms. For example, humans. Animals. The chemical equation of aerobic respiration are: number one, C6H12O6 plus O2 breakdowns giving CO2 plus H2O and energy. This glucose contains 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens and O6. When carbon, hydrogen, oxygen combine, they form a glucose. This is a type of food. O2 means oxygen. When this oxygen break down this food, rather we can say that glucose and gives us carbon dioxide and water and gives energy. This energy helps us for the living organism in all biological activities like walking, jumping. So that means this energy is produced with the help of respiration. That is why we need a food. When we take, every living organism needs food for the survival of life. If there is not available food, then no organism will be settled on this earth. So this is the simple aerobic respiration of respiration. You understand this? Now another point is anaerobic. Anaerobic respiration takes place absence of oxygen. So it means that anaerobic respiration does not need oxygen. It takes place in lower organisms. For example, yeast, bacteria. These are lower organisms which have a respiration in absence of oxygen. Now the equation of anaerobic respiration. First one, C6H12O6 have an enzyme lactate dehydrogenase. Lactate dehydrogenase. This lactate dehydrogenase break down this glucose. Break down this glucose forms lactic acid. Forms lactic acid, which have a formula C3H6O3 plus energy. Plus energy. So it means that during anaerobic respiration, it gives us lactic acid. It gives us lactic acid. Now, when we arrive to aerobic respiration, during aerobic respiration, it gives us carbon dioxide and water. So we can say that the end product of aerobic respiration is carbon dioxide and water. But the end product of anaerobic respiration is lactic acid, C6H12O6 alcohol dehydrogenase gives C2H5OH plus CO2 plus energy. It means ethyl alcohol, carbon dioxide. Now, during anaerobic respiration, it have the end products of lactic acid, ethyl alcohol, carbon dioxide. Lactic acid, ethyl alcohol, carbon dioxide. These are the end products of anaerobic respiration. This ethyl alcohol is also called as ethanol. It is also called as ethanol because you write, if I write Al, then it's not alcohol. It is an aldehyde. Now I write ethanol. OH indicates alcohol. So this is the main. Now if we take a difference between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen. Anaerobic respiration takes place in the absence of oxygen. Aerobic respiration takes place in higher organisms, for example, humans, animals. Anaerobic respiration takes place in lower organisms, for example, yeast, bacteria. In aerobic respiration, there is the end product of carbon dioxide and water. In anaerobic respiration, there is the end product of lactic acid, ethyl alcohol, carbon dioxide. Lactic acid is formed with the help of an enzyme that's called as lactate dehydrogenase. Lactate dehydrogenase is a type of enzyme which help us for the formation of lactic acid. Alcohol dehydrogenase is a type of enzyme which helps us for the formation of alcohol. That's why it is called as alcohol dehydrogenase. It is called as lactate dehydrogenase. Thank you so much.